Today we're showing you a 2016 John Deere 5100E tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with a John Deere H260 quick attach front loader. Tractor has under 50 hours. It is like brand new. Still has a balance of the factory warranty. Paint looks new in the tractor, and again, just under 50 hours. It's got the global style hookup for your bucket connection. It does have the heavy duty bucket with the grapple ready mounts on it. Bucket does not show any wear. Tires are in excellent condition, just like you would expect. Still see the pips on the back tires here. Two rear work lights. It's got the dual rear hydraulics back here. It's got these stackable valves. Also has the power beyond. Has 540 and 540E PTO. It's got the telescopic 3-point arms. Also has the upgraded stabilizer bars instead of the chains. It's a really nice upgrade. Tractor has 100 horsepower. It's a nice operator station. It's nice and roomy. It's got a really nice seat on it. It's a full suspension seat. The seat also will swivel left and right. This tilt and telescopic steering wheel. Left-hand power reverser allows you to change direction without clutching. Factory joystick to operate your loader here is in a very convenient location. Also has the 12-speed transmission. You've got 3 ranges down below, 4 synchronized gears up top here. Gives you a total of 12 speeds. On the control console, you've got your 3-point control lever, also your hydraulic control levers. Hand throttle and PTO engagement are also right there within easy reach. Differential lock, individual brakes, foot throttle, and clutch pedal here to the left. You'll notice there's hardly any paint off the pedals. Also have your 540 and 540E PTO selector to the left of the seat here. We do take trades, also offer trucking and financing. Tractor also must pass a 40-point inspection prior to pickup or delivery, and again does come with the balance of the factory warranty. Check the listing for the exact dates. If you have any questions regarding this unit, please contact us.